Here's a quick tip for optimal video viewing. This video was filmed in 360 VR 5.6K resolution, so you may need to adjust your YouTube streaming settings to a higher quality for optimal viewing, and feel free to explore the screen in all directions. You can view this from a desktop or a mobile device, but I find it tends to work best on your mobile device. So let's start exploring.
Good morning from the Catawba Falls Trail in western North Carolina. Hope you enjoy this 360 hike and waterfall view.
So Catawba Falls is about 3 miles round trip, or almost 1.5 miles out and back. And on the way there, the climb is steady and uphill, but it's not very difficult, which is why this trail is pretty popular. There are a few bridges on this trail which make it easier to traverse, but there is also still one creek crossing that you'll have to rock hop across. There are lots of neat things to see along the way. I don't want to spoil all the surprises. And this is one of my absolute favorite waterfalls in western North Carolina. Lower Catawba Falls is about 100 feet tall. And the way the water kind of cascades down the rocks reminds me of a fairy tale or some kind of epic novel like Lord of the Rings. I'm like, where's the fairies? Where's the hobbits? Where are they hiding? And it's really refreshing, especially in the summer, to take your shoes off and wade around in the water, in the pool at the bottom of the cascade. But I don't recommend climbing the falls. It's pretty dangerous, and there are some sensitive habitats there. My name is Miranda. Thank you so much for joining me on another virtual 360 hike in North Carolina. I'll leave more information and links in the description below, including a link to namasteinnature.com, where you can book a tour to combine your hike with yoga and meditation. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste and have a great day.